Brian Frederick. I'm co-founder and co-owner of Stacks Effects, a boutique effects pedal company located in Long Beach, California. Arvell Anthony helped us take our concept and turn it into a company. And without him, Stacks Effects wouldn't exist. He helped us organize early on, helped us reach very important milestones, and helped us keep on track as our responsibilities and our knowledge base grew. So did his commitment and his dedication to our project. Without Arvell Anthony, there would be no Stacks Effects. He helped make decisions that would help drive ROI, and not only that, but he helped us understand the decisions we were making going into these situations. Oftentimes things would come up that we had no experience with whatsoever. It would be brand new for us, and Arvell would help us navigate those difficult waters, or even just new waters, with confidence that always made us feel like we were in good hands. Without Arvell Anthony, there would be no Stacks Effects. Thank you, Arvell. Side note, this guy made this take like 14 takes because he wouldn't shut up, so thank you for finally behaving for 2 minutes.
Vorrei Consulting.